All right. Hey, Vlad. I've got something really special for you. You're about to turn 7 soon, and that's an awesome age to start learning something powerful. Programming. That means learning how to talk to computers and tell them what to do. In this series, I'm going to teach you how to code using JavaScript. We'll build fun things together, like simple games, cool animations, and maybe even your own little apps. Don't worry if it feels confusing at first. Every great programmer started exactly where you are right now, just curious and ready to learn. So let's take it one step at a time, have fun, and build something amazing together. Ready, Vlad? Let's start coding. Okay. Our first lesson is how to talk to the computer. So talking to computer. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So our lesson is just for the concept is coding is just telling the computer what to do. So keep that in mind. That is what coding is. Just telling computer what to do. Like for example, what you see here in the screen, Papa is just making an interactive interaction to the browser where somebody wrote this code so that the browser will do exactly what Papa is doing. So also in your Roblox games, so somebody also write a code so that your character is going to act how you want that the character that you are playing will act. So it is all based on a code that somebody wrote. Okay, so in this lesson, I'll show you something very simple, how to talk to computer. So in the browser, you're gonna right click and then inspect. So it will open up a console like what you're seeing here. And there's a console here. You're gonna click that and then let's just zoom in so that you can see what's in the text. So in the screen here, there's like a blinking cursor here. I think you already know this. What this is? So this is our first lesson. I'm gonna type alert that, then hello Vlad, and then when you enter, look, it says hello Vlad here. I think we're gonna shift to .nettest.com. Okay, so our website here is not updated because Papa is so busy. So here, we're gonna do that again. Alert, hello, Willard, and Badger. That, then I enter. You see that here? It says hello, Willard, and Berserk. You can also do something like this. Console.log hello mama. Like that. Then when you enter, oops, why is it not working? Console.log hello mama. Uh-oh. Hey, isn't it? Should it work? Console log should work, right? So this is what Papa is also calling. This is a debugging. Debugging is when you don't. Oh yeah, here. The reason why it's not working is because we need to click the alert here on top. So let's clear the console here, and you see this one here. This, I don't know what this is. Stop sign. So if you click that, it will clear that text here. So you're going to do that again, console.log hello Mayumi, for example. This is just an example, and then when you enter hello Mayumi, and the undefined here is, I don't know what's this undefined. So that is how to talk to computers. And um, the more you're going to learn things, Papa will teach you more of this stuff. And ChatGPT can also help you with your questions when it comes to programming. So that's it. That is our lesson for today. And our next video, our next programming video, Papa is gonna teach more of this stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you will practice talking to computer with this simple console log and alert. And that's it. Yeah. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.